I'm not sure you still remember. Do you still remember what a generator looks like?
Yeah, I didn't know.
You guys
But
will not.
I know what it does. But sometimes in the night it will switch off.
Okay. You guys wouldn't
Okay.
really need it except for maybe rest rotation.
Yeah, so
Okay. So, I wanted to, last class it was ultimately practice. But let's look at a few more Excel functions and how they can be useful to us, how they can help us, you know. So, all right. So, uh, okay. So we count at count blank and one twelve. I think we did. So the next thing that I wanted to do is count three.
I can't
So you
really
can
hear you.
can you hear me now?
Yeah, but I couldn't hear
Okay,
you when you were explaining what you're going to do.
okay. I said I will look at count if count. So
Okay.
count if that's the name of the function.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'll tell you how it's used. Um, okay. So let's like uh,
Yes, I should. Excited. I don't keep talking to education. Come on, yes.
let me see this example that you have here.
Yes, sir, please. Can I move upstairs?
Can you have what?
Can I move upstairs?
Your Sharon's level. Okay.
I'm in the visitor's room. I know I'm in the sitting room. I need to go to I need to go to visitor's room. Just give me a second.
Okay. Are you settled down now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You didn't say anything. No. I was wondering why it's taking you long to get up here. Okay. So I'm thinking. Okay. Let's create an still in this same, let's use this same sheet. We have some space on it. Let's use this same sheet. So go to G1. Yeah. Okay. Let's do G1. Click on G1. Are you
So
there?
please, please can you repeat it again?
Okay, click on G1.
A1.
G. Letter G. Yes. Okay. So I'll tell you the things to enter. Maybe I should give you if I give it chance so that it's easier.
Okay.
Okay. So what I basically want to do, right? I want to give samples of those types of things. Okay, can you give me examples of vegetables that you know? Examples of vegetables that you know. Would you say cabbage is a vegetable, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. They told us that tomato, uh, tomato, potato. I'm not sure again. Tomatoes are also vegetables. Um,
Carrot vegetable.
carrots. Okay, yes, carrots. Okay, okay. So you know what we'll do? Eggplant. Okay, calm down. What I want to do is I want to see if we can even mix it up. So not just vegetable. Okay, there's no problem. The way you have done it is fine. So let's now give examples of clothes. Trouser, you can just type trouser, shirt. Now, don't give the column name as clothes. So don't give the column name. Don't use the column name. That's why I say you should type in G1. I didn't say you should type vegetable in G1 because tomato I expected you to type in G1, not vegetable. So I don't know how you want to do it now.
What do you
Okay,
mean?
so yes, I didn't want you to type vegetable at the top. I didn't ask you to type that. But the name, the vegetable itself, I wanted you to type. There was a plan I had. That's why I didn't expect you to type. So no, I don't know what. Okay, type another vegetable there, or type a clothes there. Yes, go back to that cell that you deleted vegetable from, and type a clothes there. Maybe like trouser or shirt, something jeans, that kind of thing. Okay, shirt, good. Now after eggplant, type another type of clothes. Trouser. You can also do something like jeans. Okay, then you can put cap just as the last type of clothes then. Okay,
Huh?
a cap.
What about a
Yeah,
chain?
a chain. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Since it's something that can. No, chain looks more like jewelry,
Well,
but I think it's a cap for something like jewelry. Hat. Okay, that's fine. Cap or hat is fine with me. Okay, so do you know what we want to do? I purposely use this as examples, right? Then
yes,
on
sir.
the in the cell beside each one, you can put the type and please try and make it to be exactly like the way it is, the way you spell vegetables in that A under column A. Type it exactly like that. Can you do that? Type it exactly like that. So
In column A.
yes, I want you to type in H1, H1 beside shirt for instance.
Yeah.
One,
Did you say eight? Wait, eight
let me
one.
point. No, let me point to you. This is where I say you should type
Okay.
H1. So type
I should
close.
type all of this in here.
You type. So just
Sir?
type um, this one. No, this one. Yeah, just type it exactly like that. Thank you. Okay. Then you know what to do for the next one. Type vegetables for the next one. Next one are vegetables, right? No, in the same H2. Don't that's the vegetables. Oh, okay. You didn't spell it correctly. Vegetables actually has an E after them. But since you did not spell it well, oh yeah, fix it now. Then fix it in the other side too.
How do you spell it? I say vegetables, so
I know. Even that E after the D is silent. But alright, so that's right.
okay, so
Okay. Wow. You did not put F in this one, no. I don't think you have F in this one.
oops.
Okay, good. Alright. So now you know what to do, right? You drag that guy. Drag, don't go and double click. So drag on the square, the block, and drag it down. Fill up. No, no, no. Not chef now. I got vegetables so that you cover for those ones that are on side. Not everything, it's everything a vegetable. Up to eggplant now, Abby. Is it not up to eggplant? No, don't drag
Oh,
like that. There, eggplant. Thank you. Okay. Then you can now do clothes again for those remaining ones. Thank you. You can even see a clear help to drag down. Yes, correct. Okay. Okay. So now why did I bring this, this sample, this example or this sample of this? I'll tell you that it's so that we can demonstrate the count, this is how the formula, the function looks. Count, don't worry, you will see how interesting this function is and what it can help you to do. Count it. Okay. So let's go to you know what the formula bar is, right?
yes, sir. Mm. And
Where close is right. Cancel first. Let's change where we are going to click. Click on a cell. Click on, where should you click now? Click on J1. Click on J2. Sorry. Cancel this click first. Leave this click.
but where?
Ask you to format first. Cancel. Just from cancel first. Uh-huh. Okay. Then click on J2.
J what? Or J2?
Okay. All right. So that's what we're going to put the result of our formula. All right. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So inside the 5 equals false count if. Uh, okay. Sorry, let me delete that so that you can see what I do. Okay. Now, the first thing there you see is what? Range, isn't it?
Yes, range and criteria.
Criteria. Okay. So now let's talk about the range. Remember what a range is? Make sure a range is a group of cells that, you know, are to be affected by something. For instance, if you say from cell A1 to cell A15, that is a range, and we usually separate it by colon. Okay. So now we want to take care of our range. Let's see what we are dealing with. Okay. So here our range will be from G1 to G8. Uh-huh. G1 to G8. Good. Excellent. Now put your comma. Now, yes, the criteria. You are ready for the criteria. The criteria will be in, we'll print the criteria from here. Let's say, let's try for vegetable. Make your criteria A2. A2. So A2. Just type A2. Yes. Okay, good. Now close the bracket. Hit enter now.
Zero.
Everything zero. I think, I hope maybe that, let's see. Okay, let's see. Why did it count? Because it's the wrong way picture. Okay, let's start again. Go back to that. Let's same place where you type. Go back to that same place. Uh-huh. Scroll up, I think. Change that H1 to H1 to H8. H1 colon H8.
Huh? That's uh,
Okay, it's fine. I click enter now.
four.
What did it say?
Four. You did count the one with the highest value.
No. Scroll up now. Let's see the whole table. Uh-huh. What? How many vegetables are there?
Oh.
How many instances of vegetable are there?
Because this like the similar number is four. Because each of them
It's
there's
not.
four clothes and
Oh,
there's four vegetables.
it's just a coincidence. It's just a coincidence. In fact, let us make them different. Oh yeah, look for one more. Look for one more vegetable and put. Look for one more vegetable and put. Anything you remember that is a vegetable. Potato
Yeah.
or potato. Okay, all right, good. All right.
It's
So now,
very You sweet corn, vegetable.
Don't worry. You can just leave it. You can just leave it as potato.
Okay.
Alright, now go back to that cell where you put your count key. Go back to that cell where you put your count key and change the range from H1 to H8 from to H1 to H9. You understand why we are putting H9, right?
Yeah.
Because we want to
Yes,
increase that value that you just put. What did you notice?
increase by one.
It increased by one. Why? Because it counted all the instances of what. Remember, criteria is telling it what to count. Did you notice that? The
Yes,
criteria
sir.
tells it what to count. The range tells it where to count. Are you with your notebook?
Yes.
Are you with your notebook? Simeon, don't lie. Are you with your notebook?
Wait. Yes, I am. I don't
Are
have
you with
any
your
pen.
notebook?
I don't have pen.
After you come to class with notebook and not pen. And I can listen quickly.
Okay. Samia.
Okay. So let's just a few things about the count if function.
Sir?
I think I want, have you write down today's date so that we can say a few things about the count if function.
Okay. We should, can't I just write it in the function area?
If function area.
You know where we wrote function, like we wrote it like contact, count A, count blank, if, if logical. Can't I just write it there?
No, have you written down any notes in your book? Is it? Are you talking about writing it in your book?
Yeah.
Okay, and write it where you have functions now.
It's so count.
So let me send it to you. Um,
Okay, so
count argument.
what you are doing? Go to the bed. No,
Where to count.
it's a it's a lie.
You see your screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Give me one more twist.
If I slap you.
Tyron,
Yes, sir.
Tyron, how are you doing?
Oh no, she just left.
He has left.
Yeah.
Ah,
She thought I was she thought I was playing game.
check your attention.
Yeah. Then I told her that You see, I told her that you're seeing my screen. So I can't.
Uh, uh,
What time is Saturday class?
so let's keep it at the same time we usually have it now. 2 I don't know, 2 p.m.
Okay,
your
so it's not
time.
going to be, it's not 5 o'clock.
No, it's not 5 o'clock. Oh.
Okay.
You know, we brought it forward that time because you said you are going out on Saturday, right? That last week
Yes.
Saturday,
Yes, sir.
happy Saturday again.
Sir?
Are you going out on Saturday again?
No, 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 no.
Mm. All right. Have you seen what I sent to you in the chat
Yeah.
box?
I'm writing. Yes, I'm writing.
Okay.
And I um no, I'm done.
Okay. So remember what it says. Range tells us where to count. Okay. Your battery is running low. Okay. Please go and look for quickly. And don't stay
Yes.
long. Oh. Okay. Uh, is it charging now? Hello, Simeon. Hello. Hello, Simeon. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Are you there right now?
Yes, I am.
All right. Okay. So you know what to do. That place where you have type in cell K, in cell K two, type vegetables there so that we know that it belongs to vegetables. Cell K two. K, no, not A two. I said K. It's K that I said.
Oh, okay.
Uh-huh. Yeah, just beside it. Yeah, just type vegetables. Okay, nice, 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 excellent. Now we're going to do. I want you to do the same thing for food. Can you do that
Sir?
in cell G3? Cell G3. Yes, yes. I want you to do the same thing you did for vegetables for clothes. You want to count how many instances of clothes they have. So go ahead. So is that how you did it? That's not how you did it now.
Wait, what? Wait.
You forgot
Wait.
to.
I
Go
thought
and
you
look
told
at
me to
what.
write. No, I thought you told me to write clothes.
No, no. What did you do in J2 now? I want to get to J2.
J2. We did this. Like count if H colon H9 comma H2. And we counted it.
So go ahead and do it.
Okay, so
You remember that your A2 was vegetables, right?
yes, sir.
So now that we're looking for clothes, it will no longer be A2, but rather A3. That's what it means.
Did you say A2?
I said it will not. eh, Remember, range is where you want to count. So where do we want to count? It's the same thing now, H1 to H9.
Oh, okay, so
But now the criteria is no more vegetables, it's clothes we want to count. So where do you find clothes?
um H mid G G1
So you
G
look at where
G6
you
G7 G8.
have vegetables. The criteria in this case is this one. Where is clothes? Clothes is in A what?
A3.
So it is as a criteria.
Okay, okay. A3. Lost fragments.
So how many instances of clothes could it
4.
find? Four. Type clothes beside the four. There are
Okay.
five tables and four
Mm,
clothes. Okay. So that's how your count is. Want to do another example, all we need to do is just like this. We have vegetables, clothes. We may not be able to use eggs as a category. So that criteria is just like category, right?
yes, sir.
There are items that are vegetables, certain items that are clothes. uh If we want to do the next example now is ingredients, but we don't have any one for ingredients. So if we want to do this, just add that as our example. But maybe we would. Okay, no, let's even do it. Oh yeah, it's H H10. Okay, it's H10. Can you think
H10.
of can you think of some ingredients you can come up with? Ingredients
Spice.
you can use to cook.
Spice.
Yes, spice.
Seasoning.
I will be typing it as I saying
Wait.
it.
Oh, do I write it underneath here?
Now, except from H10, don't leave any space. After potato, you start typing it. Spice.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
right.
Spice. Seasoning.
Now,
Uh,
salt. Okay,
salt.
salt is seasoning. Okay, so I don't know. Maybe you want to put. Okay, seasoning is quite different. So let's leave it. Okay, all right. So let's just leave it at those three. So what category will they fall under? Ingredients. Right?
Ingredients.
Say your ingredients correctly.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. All right. Yes, correct. So now I want you to do count it for ingredients. Okay.
Sir?
Yes, go ahead. And that's J in J. That would be J4, right? Yes, in J4. Yes. Okay. So yes, what will be the count if for that one? Okay.
Oops.
Mm-hmm.
Um, yes. Oops.
Don't mess things up. Oh.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. H1 to H13. Was it not supposed to be H2? Anyway, no problem. Oh, yeah. Put your criteria, comma, criteria. Okay. All
Three.
right. Exactly. Did you notice something? Your criteria in A5 is written with capital I ingredients, but your the categories that you have under column H were written with small letter I. So can you see that it's not really case sensitive per se? It's not
Yes,
particular
sir.
about everything is capital letter or small letter. It just checks the context where it is. You understand, Abby?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So okay, I think we had some practice with this. Let me see if I can improve the one more function before we go. Yeah, okay. Let's see. There's one that says it counts if, but it counts if with an F. So, all right. So this one is a bit, okay. So, no one. Let's just do a practice for it. The next one I wanted to introduce is going to be a bit lengthy. I'm not sure we'll be able to finish it in 9 minutes. Okay, all right. Let me see your data. Let me see what you have. Let's see what and do an if statement. Let me see. You can practice your use of if. You know what I'm going to do? I want you to click in cell I1. I1.
I won.
Yes, yes, good. Now listen to what I want you. Besides those places where you have clothes, you know, vegetables, clothes, vegetables, ingredients, right?
Yes, sir.
I want you to do something simple. Clothes. You cannot eat clothes, right? Clothes are not edible, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
As in, hello, Simeon, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. So what I want you to do is to use an if statement in can you try and be still so that this thing should not be shaking like this. Can you try and be still? Why is it shaking like this? Is there a problem with the computer?
No, sir.
So why I don't know why was it shaking? Look at I1. So I1, I want to for each place where you have clothes, I want you to put non-edible, and for the others, that is no, not so you should use an if statement to achieve it. So yes, use an if statement to achieve it. So you can do that for the first step. So what should your logical test be? Is G was testing or H1? Not H1 was testing. Because the logical test is a true or false thing, is it not? So it has to give us true or false. So we're testing if H1 equals to
Equals what?
truth, quote, quotation mark. So that is only
Oh yeah, my brother took it.
put the close in quotation mark. That's spelling exactly. Put the comma. What value? If it's true, then we should put what? Non-edible. That non-edible too should be in quotation mark. Non-edible. If it doesn't have an A, remove the A. Uh-huh. Go ahead. Edible. Let's put it in A there. Just edible. Uh, then put your comma. Of course, you know what the else will do. If it is not clothes, then it is definitely vegetables or ingredients. So those ones will be edible. Okay. Now close your parentheses and hit enter. Hit enter. Just hit enter. Don't worry about it. Hit enter first.
Incredible.
Can you see it has done it for the first one? Don't no, don't
Yes.
start it again. Just Just like you know how we do it now. Double click on the this thing at the bottom there. It will replicate it for all of them.
Okay.
This is correct. Edible, non-edible, non-edible. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. So please, you see this thing, it's you're being able to remember it and being able to use it to practice. This thing that I'm telling you now, as I'm guiding you now, if I do not practice it myself, there's no way that I'll be able to guide you. So it's practice, like I say, consistent
Okay,
practice.
sir. Yes, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
So our Saturday class is by two. Let me see, three, like that. Sometimes I'm just looking at arrangement of power here. Okay, let's leave it at 2
Okay, sir.
p.m. Yeah, let's leave it at 2 p.m. I'll try and work something around it. If anything changes, I'll let you know.
Okay.
All right, enjoy the rest of your evening.
You too, sir. Yeah, bye, sir. Have a good week. Have a good week.